Smile from Sparkly Belly. A belly dance outfit usually comes with a bra top, belt, and a skirt, or just a bra top and a skirt. If you're making a costume from scratch, the second option is less time consuming, but the problem is, how do you make the waistband area look nice and finished without wearing a belt? So in this video, I'll share with you some of my best tips on making the waistband area work without a belt and decorating it while saving time. Let's get started. So first, how do you finish the waistband area of your skirt? Finish this area with wide elastic. If you plan to wear the skirt without a belt or hip scarf, you'll probably want to decorate this area. So the waistband will have to be able to hold up the weight of the rhinestones and beads. To make a nice secure waistband, add elastic to the waistband all the way around. I recommend you use at least 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch wide elastic here. Anything narrower will not give enough support or create a neat finish like this. So 2.5 centimeter to 5 centimeter wide or 1 to 2 inch wide elastic is perfect for this look. Next, how do you decorate the waistband so it looks finished without a belt? There are two approaches. The first is to create a full belt look. You can fill the entire waistband with rhinestones and beads, and the waistband will look like a belt. Or you can bead along the top of the waistband for a delicate belt look. You can mix in lace appliques and bead fringes too along the waistband area. This is a great approach if you like to have a belt or something to mark the waistband for your design. The second approach is to completely ignore the waistband and decorate this general area. This is great if you like to be creative with your design or if you're working with a high-waisted skirt like this one, because normally we don't wear a belt high up on our waistline. For this example, I made these large flower-shaped appliques. I placed one so that the top edge goes over the waistband of the skirt. I like this type of applique placement because it sort of blurs the horizontal line of the waistband, which tends to accentuate the width of your body, which many of us don't want. But by blurring the line, it makes the waistband area look interesting and slimming. By the way, these appliques were made using the same materials and techniques shown in my swirly belt and appliques course. I'll include a link to the course in the description. These appliques are a little stiff, so you can make the petals curve and make the whole thing three-dimensional. Adding dimensions is great for making your costume look more professional. I sewed on these appliques, then added large rhinestones. You can place them on the waistband too, but if you're going for a more artistic look, make sure to spread the stones all over. Over the waistband, just sew the stones onto the top layer of the fabric, not through the elastic. Then I glued on small rhinestones. Gluing on rhinestones is pretty easy and doesn't take a long time, but these stones really add sparkles to your costumes, so I highly recommend it for beginner costumers or experienced costumers who want to save time. To add some movements to the skirt, I made this strip from satin bias tape that I used in other parts of the costume and glued rhinestones on it, and sewed it under an applique. And don't forget to make a matching bra. If you're going for an outfit without a belt, it's really important that the skirt and the bra top match. Use the same colors and materials so you have a nice cohesive design. And this costume is finished. There's no belt to go with it, but this outfit and the waistband works without a belt. It's very pretty. The waistband area looks finished and stays up nicely. If you want to make an outfit like this, the bra top is from my Dina bra from scratch. The skirt is my Daria mermaid skirt. And again, the appliques are from my swirly belt and appliques. I'll include the links in the description. And if you're checking out my courses, I have good news. We're celebrating the 7th anniversary of Sparkly Belly, and we'll have a big anniversary sale on these courses and more next weekend. The sale will be open to my newsletter subscribers only, so if you're curious, make sure to sign up for my newsletter at sparklybelly.com/newsletter. Hope you liked this tutorial, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dancer and costumer friends. And if you're new to belly dance costume making, check out my free email course, Belly Dance Costume Making 101. It'll give you a great introduction to costume making and beginner-friendly projects. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling!